So what's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video you're going to learn about how to fill out PDF forms with the help of Claude. So one thing that you guys need to do is first open up the desktop application. Over here in the skills section you will see that there is a manage skill option. Now in the skills section you just have to search for PDF. So if there is, let me go ahead and first click on browse and then select PDF, and you will see that there is Canva design skill, and there are a bunch of other skills that are available. For me, I have already installed the PDF skills. You will formally see it in a few seconds. Now, otherwise, if you haven't actually added that skill up, it's in by default, so you guys don't have to worry about it. So simply first load up the document. Right now, I have my document here, sample fillable. Just fill the form with an sample data, the real one, and show it to you. So it will do it like this is the form. These select an item for the combo drop down list. The options are there: name of the department, age of the department, and let me see like what it will do. So as you guys can see, the original form guide for filling the PDF forms, like the PDF has fillable form fields. Extract from file field information to JSON. Guys, don't if you're new to the channel, please don't ask me who is JSON, because you guys, you know, it's just a joke. So yeah, let's wait a few seconds till it load up. So it's saying, let me convert the PDF to an image to see the layout and inspect the drop-down options more closely since they are garbled, and the drop-down options are currently choice 1 through choice 4. Let me view the form of image and then confirm. I'll create the fields value with a clearly fictional example data. Let me verify the output looks correct, and boom, we have the form ready right now with the data over here and fill up information on the right hand side. So that was pretty much it for the video. I hope you find this video helpful. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye.